Alrighty. You see all these tomatoes? Those aren't ready. But this one right here looks like she's just hanging on for dear life. And either I'm too late and somebody's already got the fruit or the roots, or it seems like I'm not too late. Yeah, you don't know what I'm grabbing onto. Looks good to me. Okay, that one was ready. See that hole right there? And these are old, missed that one. Oh, that's an egg. Once I pulled it out the ground, it's hard for me to find the spot where it was growing. Okay. That one looks good. At first I was like, oh my goodness, what's going on? And so it was being attacked. But it survived. This is my compost pile. And see, are there any more in there? I'm trying to. So it was not on purpose that it grew there. At least not on purpose by me. And I don't know if this is the same plant. Oh, let me get my, this is what I wanted growing here. It's my papaya, sweet papaya. And I am braving these thorns to get in here and harvest some. I'm just feeling around. If I feel something that feels big and firm, I'm taking it out. Because, okay, so that one is from the other one. I wonder if I'm taking fruit from that one too. Okay, the fruit on this one are not ready. So let me go back over here. Aha. Oh no, that's a log. Okay. Okay. So everybody's good. I think that's all I got. But I'm happy. I don't know. Okay. And so now my papaya can grow in peace. Because that one's taken out. Only this one is left. Probably the same plant. But the potatoes on this one are tiny. They aren't big. And it's probably the same plant as well. Let me move that leaf there so that my papaya can grow tall. And I've got two. There are probably more, but I didn't get them. And I had dug some over here that were small, and I left them. But hey, harvest from the plant. First, I think probably somebody got the rest of them because I see other places. And look, I see a mark right there. And then this one, as you saw, it was being violated. Okay. God bless you. First potato harvest.